Allowing or disallowing apps from using cellular data helps you control data usage, ensuring that only essential apps consume mobile data, while others are restricted to Wi-Fi. And here's how you do that. To begin, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to return to the home screen. Once you're there, tap on Settings. Now, find the Cellular option and tap on it. In this section, you'll see a list of apps under Cellular Data, each with a switch beside it. You can easily control which apps can use your cellular data by toggling these switches on or off. For instance, if you don't want apps like App Store or Astronomy to access cellular data, simply turn off the switches next to them. This means that these apps will only work when connected to Wi-Fi and won't use up your mobile data when you're on the go. To test this out, let's try disabling cellular data for the App Store and then turn off Wi-Fi. When you open it, you'll see a message saying that cellular data is turned off for the app. This confirms that the app is now restricted to Wi-Fi only. When you're ready to re-enable cellular data for the app, just go back to the cellular settings and toggle the switch back on. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.